So today we've come to the park not to explore but to gorge on treats because Kenny has kindly sent us this awesome box of goodness which we have opened and Tig is trying not to spill over the floor. We're going to find a nice little spot and sit down and do a taste test. Hey guys, so today we're doing a different kind of video because Kenny kindly sent us some treats from America. So we're gonna go and give those a taste test. Thank you so much, Kenny, that was so kind of you. I didn't expect that at all. I was like, what? So that's so kind of you, Kenny. I've opened it, but I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. So this is what we have. We've got some Moonpie, got some flavoured popcorn. It's gluten-free as well, so bonus. Got some Kettle Corn, got some popcorn flavoured M&Ms, and a lovely card as well. I'm really excited to try these, so let's do this taste test. First of all, we're going to try this Kettle Corn. So I don't know if Kettle Corn is a flavour or if it's a type of popcorn, I have no idea. I don't have it over here, but it's a massive bag. Oh my god. It smells like popcorn, doesn't it? Like just regular popcorn, kind of thing. I'm going to just dig my hand in and go for it. So this is actually quite nice. It's like regular popcorn, but it's got a slightly sweet taste. I think they've got cane sugar in this, and it's not as salty as I'm used to with popcorn. So, oh god, I just spilled it on the floor. No, so it's a nice flavour. I like it.
It's tasty.
Okay, so next we're gonna go for fire roasted sweet corn flavoured popcorn. What on earth will that taste like? So let's try it. Oh, he's like getting in there with the sniffs. That's what it looks like in the bag. I'm gonna dig in. It smells buttery. Oh my god, that tastes just like sweet corn. That is really weird.
It's really good.
But isn't it strange? It tastes just like sweet corn.
It's like someone's taken some barbecued sweet corn and then somehow smeared it all over popcorn kernels. So.
Oh my god, wow. I like that one. I'm having a barbecue later, so we're going to use these. It doesn't lie. It is what it says it is. How can it be like this? It's amazing. Never. I'm sorry, I'm just literally baffled by that flavour. I'm so baffled. Wow, really, really good. So sticking with the popcorn theme, we've got popcorn flavoured M&Ms, but you can't get these over here, I don't think. I mean, you get M&Ms, but just regular flavour. I think they've got a couple of other flavours, but nothing like you guys have in the States. I'm curious to try these. Do you want to open them? He's been working out. He's trying to open a packet of M&Ms. This is what they look like. A bit more rounded than normal M&Ms. I'm going to slam these all in my mouth. Oil one. The first flavour you get is a popcorny burst, but then it goes into a really chocolatey flavour. But it's really nice. It's nice and subtle. The more I'm eating them, the less I'm getting a popcorn. That first bite definitely had a popcorn vibe.
I can't pick it up, but I do have a bit of a cold. All I can taste is chocolate.
Really? I think he just wants an excuse to eat more chocolate. He's like, oh, I'm not quite getting that flavour yet. I'm not quite getting it. I legitimately did get a popcorn flavour when I first had it. And I cleared my mouth with water after the popcorn, the sweet corn, so it wasn't that. It is a very, very subtle popcorn flavour.
They don't taste like ordinary M&Ms, so I know there is something else going on there. They're delicious though. At first bite, you can definitely pick up the popcorn flavour in there.
I say what?
You can definitely pick up the popcorn flavour in there. It's really nice.
So it looks like I've kind of off camera gone, fucking tone popcorn.
I wanted to taste them properly, so I cleared my palate.
He wouldn't let it go. I was ready to go on to Moonpie, but he was like, no, we have to continue.
I have to find this popcorn flavour.
No, this is the thing with Tig. Once he has an idea in his head, or he wants to show or find something, he won't let it go or won't stop. Even if it's like a year later, oh, I suddenly taste that corn on the cob flavour, you know. So next we're going to try these Moonpie. All I think of with Moonpie is Sheldon from Big Bang Theory, because his Meemaw used to call him Moonpie, and that's all I think of. But these apparently have been going since 1917. I've no idea what they are. I'm curious. Let's give them a whirl. Okay, so it looks different. Got different colourings on it. It looks really strange. It feels really soft. It almost looks like it's some like a marshmallow sandwich or something, but I don't know. Ready? Cheers. Very, very dry. I mean, it's a nice flavour, but needs to be more moist. And this is what it looks like when you bite it. But yeah, it needs to be more moist really.
Yep.
I don't know if you guys have wagon wheels in America. I prefer wagon wheels, they've got more moisture. This is very, very dry. Not so hot on that. The flavour is nice, but the texture for me is a bit too chewy. In the same way a marshmallow's chewy, but it's like having a really, really, really thick marshmallow mixed with a digestive biscuit a little bit. That's kind of what it feels like to me. And it's a bit too, just a bit too dry. What do you think of it, Zing Flask?
I definitely like the flavour, but I'm with Kate on this one. It's too dry. As much as I like the flavour, I feel like I need to take a drink after each bite, which is a shame.
Kenny, let me know if you have wagon wheels over there, because if you don't, I'll send you some. So thank you so, so much, Kenny, for sending me this box. And my favourite for uniqueness was this, because it's so unlike anything I've ever had before. What about you? What was your favourite?
The sweet corn flavoured popcorn, such a unique flavour, and it's really buttery, and everyone knows popcorn that's buttery tastes nice anyway, so with that added sweet corn flavour, it's perfect.
If you want to check out Kenny's channel, please do, show him some love. Link is in the description. Thank you again so, so much, Kenny. I really appreciate it, and they were absolutely lush. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this taste test. I'll see you guys next week for another travel adventure. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.